comment, like, subscribe. Hey guys, today I'm going to make fungi. So first I boil the cornmeal with water, salt and oil. When the okra is cooked, I'm just gonna add the cornmeal. So here it's cooked and I'm ready to add the cornmeal. Now before I add the cornmeal, I mixed some in a bowl with cold water so it don't get lumpy. And then I'm just gonna pour it in here with the okra. It wouldn't get lumpy when you do that. So have no fear guys, it will not be lumpy. And then I'm just going to mix it. Till it gets thick and you know it's good. You have to continue to mix. See what it looks like already? The fungi is ready. That's it guys. This is all there is to making fungi. That's it guys. It's ready. And all you do, you just grease a mug, a round bowl with oil or butter, and then you make it into a circle like a ball, and then you serve. This gentleman told me he just greased his bowl with butter and he just let it be, and then he cuts it up in the pieces that he wants to eat. So you could make it in whatever way you want, but this is the fungi. The most important thing is that the fungi is ready. Fungi. This is how I make fungi. Wow, I can't believe it, but it is lunch. You have steamed plantain, stewed yellowtail fish, fungi, and lettuce. So guys, isn't this a healthy lunch? Very healthy. As you could see in my fungi, I have the okra. As the green things you're seeing in there is the okra. So that's my lunch for today. It looks so delicious. Yummy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you. Watching. Please subscribe.